Milling is one of the key technologies used in CNC. It is applied in medical, aerospace, mechanical parts. Generally speaking, the larger the range of workpieces that can be processed, the more complex geometric shapes can be produced. There are many types of machines for milling, including 3-axis, 4-axis, and 5-axis. What are the differences between 3-axis, 4-axis, and 5-axis? What are their respective advantages? Which products are suitable for each of them? First, let's learn about traditional 3-axis machining. 3-axis CNC machining is the simplest and most common form. The cutting tool moves along the X, Y, and Z axes. To remove excess material from the workpiece, the CNC machine can cut from one side to the other, cutting from front to back, up and down into the workpiece. However, the work table holding the workpiece cannot move freely. Although there are more advanced systems available in the industry today, 3-axis CNC machining is still widely used. So, let's take a look at some advantages of 3-axis machining. Low cost. 3-axis CNC machining is best for rapid production, basic geometries, and simple parts. Versatile. By changing the tool, you can perform drilling, milling, turning, and other operations. 3-axis machining is also hindered by many factors, making it unable to meet all processing needs. Some of these factors include design limitations. The 3-axis machine can only process one face at a time, cannot match the complex shapes available on CNC machines. Positioning limitations. The work table for fixing the workpiece is prohibited, so the technician must change its direction many times to process other surfaces. Poor surface finish. The surface roughness obtained by 3-axis machining is relatively poor. This happens because the tool is long, so it will experience more vibration, which may destroy the finish of the product. 3-axis CNC is still a very useful process. We can use it to create various high-precision, basic geometric shapes. These applications include 2 and 2.5D pattern carving, groove washing, face washing, and threading holes aligned with axis, drilling, and so on. 4-axis machining provides a significant upgrade over 3-axis machining. It adds additional degrees of freedom through rotational motion, providing more possibilities for processing complex workpieces. In 4-axis CNC machining, the tool moves freely on the X, Y, and Z axis to process the workpiece. The 4-axis machine can cut along the workpiece's contour. It can process more complex workpieces, since the work table rotates around the X-axis. 4-axis CNC machine can produce complex detail parts. High precision and accuracy. 4-axis CNC machines don't need to adjust or replace tools. It can access multiple sides of the workpiece, so the parts made with it are very accurate. It's high speed and low cost. Compared with 3-axis machining, most of the work done on a 4-axis CNC machine only requires one clamping without stopping or intervening to change fixtures and tools, saving time and reduce production costs. 4-axis CNC machines also have some drawbacks, may make it unsuitable for some customers. High operating costs. Compared with running a 3-axis CNC machine, the cost of running a 4-axis CNC machine is relatively high. This is because the 4-axis machine has more complex functions. 4-axis CNC opens up a wide range of manufacturing possibilities. Some of its applications include curved geometries, engraving or processing the sides and contours of cylinders, cutting side holes. 5-axis machining is the most accurate and precise metal parts, the most accurate and most advanced method. In a 5-axis CNC machine, the tool moves on the X, Y, and Z axis, just like in a 3-axis machine tool. In addition, the work table can also rotate around the X and Y axis. These rotation planes are called the A-axis and B-axis. These additional rotations open up other sides of the workpiece that could not be machined before. For 5-axis machine tools, because the machine moves on the X, Y, and Z axis and rotates simultaneously in the A and B planes, it can perform precise 3-dimensional machining. using high-quality 5-axis CNC machining centers. There are many advantages. Creation of complex parts. 5-axis CNC machining is very popular in automotive and energy industries. It can handle other processing methods and various curved geometries that cannot be covered. Narrow gun body cantilever features, and so on. Shorten delivery time. Using 5-axis CNC machine tools to make parts is a very fast job. It doesn't require multiple setups to change the direction of the furniture or parts. In a single-step machining process, it can create incredibly complex shapes and high surface finish. 5-axis machining can achieve cleaner and more accurate cutting, resulting in first-class surface finish. The only drawback of 5-axis CNC machining is its cost. Its high-quality services and functions make it more expensive than 3-axis and 4-axis. However, for applications that require ultra-high quality, this extra cost is worth it. Some typical applications of 5-axis include machining: processing complex shapes, creating inclined surfaces, high precision, and low-tolerance applications. Now we have introduced 3-axis and 4-axis, 5-axis machining features. The next step is to study it in depth. In future episodes, we will discuss different types of CNC machines and how to design CNC machining. So if you like this content, and you want to continue learning more about CNC machining, I hope you follow this channel and keep updated in future videos.